Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to discuss about Humastar 200 by Human, which is a chemistry analyzer, and it is the machine, inner part of the machine, and you can see this is the reagent part. You can add up to 30 reagent, and there is a number mentioned. You can add 30 reagent in the reagent part, and this is the sample part, and you can add the 60 samples in the sample part, and behind that this is a wash station, and this is a pipette this is a single pipette machine that the single pipette can first put the reagent and then put the sample. And the black you see, this is a wash station, and beneath that there's a covers in which the reaction take off. As you see in the sample section, the numbers also mentioned. The first three positions are for Serodox plus, and for the autocol. And from the number 4 we can start the reaction. We can start putting the samples from 4 to 60, and it move around. First of all, whenever you start the machine, firstly you have to switch on the power, and after that you have I will show it to you. This is the power button for this, and you need a UPS for this machine, and this is main computer of the machine. And as you can see that first of all, whenever you come into the lab, you just have to prepare the machine for the samples. For this you have to first put the startup of the machine, as I already put the machine on the startup. And doing that, machine will manage itself, that he can wash and he can check all the reagents, and he can check as the lamp is properly working, as the spectrophotometer principle is totally working or not. This is the whole process, and then you can add all the things. Firstly I will show the reagent part. These are all the reagent I already put it in this, and machine also showing me that what is the value of the different reagents. As you can see, the ferritin in this is empty, and creatinine 2 reagent is also empty. And this is the reagent part. You just if the reagent is empty, what is the process to fill it? You just need a kit, and you put the bottle, and you can see as the ferritin level is, ferritin 2 is on 29th position. Then you have to go to the 29th position. This is the 29th position. You just have to put it off and fill the reagent. The ideal process of this is that you have to stop the machine, and then you have to add all the reagents into this. And now I will show the different parts of the machines, as different parts of the software in the machine. As you see, this is the monitor, and it will tell you which type of things are in it. And this is the sample process. You just have to add the new sample like this. You have to enter the ID and the position where you have to put it on, and then you have to add the samples. And this is the work list of the previous day. As I already told you, I just start up the machine, and I will then next put the samples after the startup process. And this is the different things in the machine. Now I will show to you what is the process and how it will measure the different materials in it.